Our topic for today is to understand the audience targeting option which comes under your display campaign or maybe your search campaign or a video campaign. Okay. So we have option over here, audience targeting. Basically, to whom do you want to show your ads that we're going to target over here. So for targeting, we have multiple options over here. So let me explain the UI over here. We got search, ideas and browse. I'll start with browse. Under browse, we got more options over here. The first one is your demographics, affinity and custom affinity, in market, life events, custom intent, and remarketing and similar audience. So under demographics, you got basic some options available over here: parental status, marital status, education, home ownership status. You can target on these options. Then you have affinity audience where you can target the people who have a let's say interest or a habit for doing the same task again and again, or repeating the same let's say kind of action again and again. You can target those kind of people over here. For example, let's say I like to let's say dine outside. Okay, I'm a foodie. Okay, so that's my interest, that's my habit, getting it. So I can target those kind of people over here. In market audience would be more of people who are currently in the market researching or planning to purchase a product. Okay, that's your in market audience. And the last one is a remarketing audience. So remarketing audience is all about like once we go for marketing, the people who have already visited our website. Okay, so we can remarket that audience. Okay, so through different let's say tactic, we follow this remarketing. We're going to talk about this thing in detail, but as of now, we're going to do audience targeting, and there are four options available through which you can go for the targeting. Then we have our next tab, ideas over here. So based on your targeting, what you do over here, okay, on that basis, they give you ideas as well. Okay, like a suggestions. Okay, and if you're particularly looking for something, then you can go for search column as well, where you can search on the basis of the category what you feel like, what you want to add, and if the category is already there, then you can target on that basis. So this was all about the audience targeting. I hope this is very clear. Thank you.